Good morning, everybody. Right, we're going to get going with our maths learning for today. Can you remember what we've been learning in maths this week? That's right, we've been learning about halving. Now, I wonder if you can remember from yesterday. Look, here's the chocolate cake from yesterday. Can you tell a grown-up about what is halving? How do we halve? Why do we halve? Pause the video and have a think about what is halving. Did you manage to talk to somebody? Halving, that's right. Halving is when you cut something into half into two equal parts, and each half needs to be the same, otherwise it isn't half. Shall we have a look about what we're learning today? Oh, look at the board. We've got Pedro's, this is Pedro here, Pedro's Pizza Parlour, halving. Let's see what it's all about. Hello, I'm Pedro. I make delicious pizza for the customers in my restaurant. I make pizzas like this. This is a whole pizza. It's one whole pizza. Two customers want to buy one pizza and eat half each. Can you tell me if I cut the pizza in two halves? Should we have a look to see if he's managed to cut it into halves? Ready? Oh, is each pizza a half? Pause the video and tell a grown-up if you think this pizza has been cut into half. Did you talk about it? Oh dear, I don't think this pizza has been cut into half, because look, this pizza has not been cut down the middle, and this part of the pizza is much smaller than this part. This part is much bigger. Let's see if he's managed to do it this time. Oh, what do you think? Do you think that he's managed to cut the pizza in half this time? What do you think, Miss Talbot?
I think we should pause the video and let the children have a think at home. Do you think Pedro's cut it in half? And how do you know? Tell your grown-up. Pause the video now.
Did you manage to talk about it? You're right. It is not half, is it? Because it has not been cut into two equal parts. This part of the pizza is small and this part of the pizza is big, so it is not half a pizza. Let's see one more time. Pedro says, I have cut the whole pizza in a different way. Do I have two halves? Pause the video and talk to a grown-up about if you think Pedro has cut the pizza in half and if he has done it correctly or not.
And how you know.
Oh, yeah,
tell your grown-up
you know.
how you know. That's really important.
Did you talk to them? You're right. It has not been cut into two equal halves. Again, it's not been cut into half. Look, it is not down the middle. And look, this part of the pizza is much smaller than this part. Oh, I bet those customers won't be very happy, will they, Miss
No, those
Talbot?
pieces are not the same size, are they?
No, they are not. I think Pedro is finding this a little bit tricky. So I wonder, shall we see if today we can help Pedro learn how to cut objects into half?
I think that is a really good idea, Miss Hollenby. I think the children at home will be able to help Pedro learn how to cut objects and shapes in half.
Let's have a little look. So, what have we got up on the board first? That's right, we have got an apple. So what we need you to do, a grown-up is going to have to help you a little bit. And what they need to do, I need a grown-up at home to draw an apple.
And cut it out for you as well.
Yeah, and cut around it so that it is an apple like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, just like this. Now what we need you to do is then cut, your child is going to teach and find out what half of the apple is. So, Miss Talbot, do you remember how to make half?
Do you know what, Miss Hollenby? I have a really special trick I use when I'm halving objects. Shall I teach you?
Yes, please.
So I can see you've got one whole apple there.
I have.
Now to find half, I would fold my apple in half.
Okay, so I need to fold my apple in half.
And when you fold it in half, Miss Hollenby, when you open it back up, can you see there's a line all the way down the middle of your apple?
Okay, what do I do now?
Now you're going to cut along the line.
Okay, so I need some scissors, don't I?
You do, Miss Hollenby. Make sure you've got your scissors ready at home too. And remember, children, this is your job. So you're going to fold it in half and you're going to cut along the middle line. And you'll see that once you've cut all the way along the line, the two pieces, Miss Hollenby, are the same size. They are equal and you have cut your apple in half.
2 equal parts.
And if you join them back up, Miss Hollenby, you can see that the 2 equal parts make one whole apple.
That's right. So have a go at doing that with an apple at home. Pause the video and have a go, and then unpause it and we're going to the next one. Right, let's have a look at what else we've got, Miss Talbot. Oh look, we've got an ice cream. I wonder if you at home a grown-up can draw an ice cream shape.
Cut it out for you.
Cut it out for you.
And then they need to give it to you. It's the children's job to find half.
So the children's job needs to do your special trick, Miss Talbot, of finding half of an ice cream.
Yeah, remember, the special trick is to fold it down the middle and cut along the line. See if you can do it. Off you go. Pause the video now.
Did you manage to have a go? Well done. Let's see what's next. What have we got now? We have got, oh look, we've got a piece of chocolate. Oh look, it's a rectangle shape. I wonder if a grown-up again can draw a piece of chocolate for you, cut around it, and then your job at home, as the children need to, find half of a piece of chocolate. Pause the video and have a go at doing that. Did you manage to have a go? Well done. Let's see what is next. Oh wow, we've got a donut this time. Oh look, it goes around and around and around. So again, have a go. A grown-up needs to draw a donut for you, cut it out, and then your job today as the children is to find half of a donut. Cut the donut in half. Did you manage to do it? Well done. Now we've got one more. Oh look, it's a slice of pizza. Again, do the same as we did before. A grown-up needs to draw and cut around the pizza slice, and then your job at home is to cut the pizza slice in half. Pause the video and have a go at doing that. How did you get on? Oh, I can't wait to see all of these pictures. And a very special job is, now we've been teaching Pedro how to cut everything and find half of something. I wonder if you can send all of the photos back to Miss Talbot and I, so that we can send it to Pedro so that he can learn how to find half of an object. Have fun!